students. Now, previous lecture we have seen the nucleophilic substitution of the chlorobenzene. Now, today we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, last year you have seen the electrophilic substitution reaction in the aromatic compounds. Okay, tell me example of the electrophilic substitution reaction. You know that first one is the halogenation, second one is the nitration, third one is the sulfonation, and fourth one is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. You know that all this reaction. Okay, now today we are going to discuss first reaction, halogenation. Okay, you know that chlorobenzene is as per resonating structure, it is a ortho and para directing. You know that when chlorine present on the benzene ring, the lone pair on the chlorine take part in the resonating structure, therefore ortho and para position carries negative charge, therefore electrophilic substitution takes place at the ortho and para position. Okay, first halogenation is nothing but the addition of halogen. Chlorobenzene is treated with the chlorine. Okay, chlorobenzene is treated with the chlorine. It is a substitution, electrophilic substitution reaction. You know that electrophilic is nothing but the electrophile carries positive charge. Okay, we get first product is ortho substituted and second one is the para substituted. Okay, what is the name of the compound? The IUPAC name of the compound is orthodichlorobenzene. Common name of the compound orthodichlorobenzene, and common name of this compound is the para-dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Okay, 1,2 dichlorobenzene. And IUPAC name of this compound is the 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Okay, this reaction is carried out in presence of the Lewis acid AlCl3, okay, or FeCl3 or AlBr3. The reaction, this is in the left side 1 chlorobenzene, but in the product side 2 chlorobenzene structure. We can write 2 chlorobenzene. How many hydrogen atoms? 2. Therefore, we can write 2. 2 hydrogen means removal of the twice SL, balancing the chemical equation by using stoichiometric coefficient equation. Okay, when in your examination ask the question, what happens when chlorination on the chlorobenzene? What is the answer of this question? When chlorination on the chlorobenzene and formation of the two product, first one is the 1,2 dichlorobenzene and second one is the 1,4 dichlorobenzene. As per resonating structure, as per resonance, chlorobenzene is a ortho para directing. You know that last lecture we have seen ortho and para position carries negative charge and meta position carries positive charge. Okay, keeping in the mind this reaction, in your examination ask another question: how will you convert chlorobenzene into orthodichlorobenzene or para-dichlorobenzene? It is a structure. The name of the structure is the orthodichlorobenzene and name of the structure is the para-dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name 1,2 dichlorobenzene and IUPAC name of the structure is the 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Okay, halogenation is the one example of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Students, next reaction, nitration. Okay, you know that nitration is nothing but the last year you have seen when benzene is reacting with the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid and formation of the nitrobenzene. What is meaning of nitration? Nitration is nothing but the when one hydrogen atom of an benzene is substituted by the NO2 group and formation of the nitrobenzene. This process is called as the nitration. Okay, students, Today we are going to discuss the new thing, nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture. In nitrating mixture, it is a mixture of 2 moles of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid and 1 mole of concentrated nitric acid. 1 mole of the concentrated nitric acid. What happens when 2 moles of the H2SO4 combines with the 1 mole of HNO3 nitric acid? Formation of twice HSO4 minus plus NO2 plus H3O plus. Students, keeping in mind this thing, what is the meaning of nitrating mixture? In your examination, ask the question for the filling blanks. Nitrating mixture. What is the nitrating mixture? Nitrating mixture is nothing but the 2 moles of concentrated H2SO4 and 1 mole of concentrated HNO3. HNO3 is nothing but the nitric acid. H2SO4 is nothing but the sulfuric acid. When 2 acids combine together with each other and formation of HSO4 minus, NO2 plus and H3O plus. Students, keeping in the mind this thing, it is NO2 plus is nothing but the name of the ion is the nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. You know that H3O plus is nothing but it is a hydronium ion. Okay, students, when chlorobenzene is reacted with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Okay, we get 2 products. You know that chlorobenzene is an ortho para directing. Chlorobenzene ortho and para position carries negative charge. NO2 carries NO2 group carries positive charge. Therefore, NO2 goes to the ortho and para position. First product, second product is a ClNO2. Okay, name of the compound is 1-chloro 2-nitro benzene. The name of the compound is 1-chloro 4-nitro benzene. How to balance this reaction? We can write 2 in the reactant side, we can write 2 in the HNO3 and formation of twice H2O. Formation of the twice H2O. Students, see carefully. Electrophilic is nothing but the, you know that last lecture we have seen the nucleophilic reaction. What is meaning of nucleophile? Nucleophile is nothing but the atom or group of the species which carries negative charge. It is an electron rich center. Okay. Electrophilic is nothing but the atom or group of the species which carries positive charge. It is an electron deficient center. मराठी मध्ये आपण त्याला इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरिबी असं म्हणतो. Okay. In the halogenation, the chlorine carries positive charge. The halogenation, it is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, chlorine goes to the ortho and para position, and we got 2 products. That is the orthodichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. And second reaction, when chlorobenzene on nitration takes place in presence of the concentrated H2SO4 and formation of the 1-chloro 2-nitrobenzene, and another product will be the 1-chloro 4-nitrobenzene. Students, in your examination, ask the question: what happens when chlorobenzene on nitration takes place? What is the answer when chlorobenzene on nitration takes place? To get 2 products. First one is the 1-chloro 2-nitrobenzene and second one is the 1-chloro 4-nitrobenzene. Okay, students. Now, okay, students, you know that what is meaning of halogenation and what is meaning of nitration. Okay, students, today will be stop here and tomorrow will be continue. Any doubt you can ask me on the mobile or WhatsApp. Okay.